Hello mga kamamshi, it's another day for us and this is the rehearsal for sa darating nilang foundation day. May magaganap silang cosplaying with their classmate and all the students of the school. So ayan, nagre-rehearsal sila and I'm proud kasi nagpa-participate siya dad at nag-i-improve yung kanilang self-confidence and with their friends, natututo silang makisalamuha at magkaroon ng stage presence and yung talent nila ay mai-improve nila by